Hello guys, let me show you how to manage your notifications on the HTC U Ultra. So let's start from open settings. Then we have click here and type notifications. Scroll down and click on these options, apps and notifications. And as you can see, there's option called allow icon badges, so we can turn it off or turn it on. Also, they unlock the screen on the lock screen, so you can just show notifications or just hide them. Pick your favorite. I will go with show all. And of course, the notifications for every application installed on our device. So there's for example a Gmail. So if you have a lot of emails, you can just turn off every notification coming from this application, as you can see. And you can go and do this for every app available here on this list. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.